Welcome back to another study session. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date. Hit the notification bell if you want a reminder to study. And like if you did your homework. Got a little gas. I had made some pretty good dinner. Made some tacos. So pretty good. Easy, quick dinner. Little cleanup. Not much. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into more of today. So the first order of business is making a dish. Second order of business is doing this down here. I guess just in case this takes all my time, we might do this and the reading that my teacher gave me for tomorrow, depending on how long this takes, because I want to explain how to make, I guess, a burger. Hopefully that's good enough, and I think that's where I'm going to stop today. It took a long time just trying to write this, create it, write it out, but I'm happy with it. It was a good little 20-minute exercise or practice, just getting my mind into Japanese, along with all the other Japanese that I've been doing today, so it is what it is. But yeah, other than that, homework, make sure you're doing Wanikani, make sure you're doing Anki if you need it, write your journal, do your listening. Don't think you need it more than that. So I will see you in the next one. Deuces.